Most business owners doing $1 million plus per year are leaving thousands of dollars on the table, not because their offer sucks, not because their team isn't solid, but because they don't have a predictable lead system, and it's costing them more than they think. I run a digital marketing agency here in Denver, and over the last year alone, we've helped local service-based businesses, from realtors, dog trainers, and much, much more, to consistently generate leads using a mix of short-form content and paid ads. Just like one of my clients, Ryan, who got over 90 leads in our first month of working together and closed 2 contracts in his first week of running ads. We're not just consultants, we build the entire system for you, from the ad scripts, to the filming, to the editing, to the ad strategy, and even the AI-powered follow-up machine that closes appointments while you sleep. Here's the truth. You probably have one of 4 main problems, and that's why you either don't run ads or are already running ads but don't think they work. Problem number 1 is that you're too busy running your business to figure out how to make Facebook ads perform. Problem number 2, you've probably boosted a few posts, tried an ad or 2, but let's be real, it didn't work. Problem 3, your team doesn't know how to script or film, and your inbox is full of leads who never responded. And problem number 4, if you have not worked with an agency, you're gonna have to hire 5 different people to piece everything together, and it's a management nightmare. You've outgrown do-it-yourself marketing, but haven't found a real partner that builds systems, not just content. Because at the end of the day, closing sales is what matters. My name's Charlie, and I run a full-service video marketing and lead generation agency right here in Denver. We specialize in helping service-based businesses doing anywhere from $500K annually and more, and we install our lead generation and conversion system 100% done for you. I've worked with everyone from dog trainers to construction companies to real estate brokers, and even business coaches. And the goal is always the same. Make you the go-to name in your market and drive booked appointments on autopilot. So here's what you're gonna learn. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna show you 1, why most paid ads fail for service-based businesses, 2, the 3-part system we use to generate leads 24/7 using short-form video and meta ads, 3, how our AI system follows up, qualifies, and books leads without you lifting a finger. So if you're a Denver business owner tired of chasing leads and want to scale smart, this will change the game for you. Step number 1, we build your ads ecosystem. We write and script your ad videos, we show up to film and edit them, and then we build scroll-stopping creatives for Facebook and Instagram. Step 2, we launch and manage your campaigns. We handle all the ad setup, targeting, testing, and optimization, and you get weekly updates via Loom and monthly consulting calls to make sure that we stay on track with your targets. Step number 3, we automate the follow-up. We install our AI system that responds instantly to every single lead, answers frequently asked questions, nurtures cold leads, and books appointments directly on your calendar 24/7. We handle everything from strategy to execution to back-end automation while you focus on what you do best, building and running your business. So if you're a Denver service-based business doing over $500K annually and you're tired of inconsistent lead flow, make sure that you book a free strategy call to learn more about the system that we use and how we can implement it in your business. In 20 minutes, I'll show you exactly where you're leaking leads and how we can build a system that grows with your business without you babysitting ads or following up with clients. No fluff, no outsourced headaches, just a proven lead engine that works. So make sure that you click the link below to book your free strategy call, and let's get to work.